Hi everyone, my name is Kevin McPartland and today I'll be discussing my internship at Landis+Gyr. And at Landis+Gyr, I work for the Advanced Grid Analytics team. So a little bit of discussion what I'll be talking about is my background, the company's background, my duties, the project I worked on, the customer visit, how I applied concepts in class, what I wish I learned, my experience, and finally my team. So a little about my background is I attend Texas A&M Corpus Christi, my major is in GIS, and I plan to graduate in May of 2017. So a little about the company's background for Landis+Gyr is Landis+Gyr has been designing and manufacturing high-quality state-of-the-art electricity meters since 1896. Now fast forwarding, then Landis+Gyr has been acquired by Toshiba in 2011 and has intensified the focus on smart metering technology as an essential building block in the development of smart grids and smart communities. Now my duties at Landis+Gyr on a daily basis was to help out my team in any way I could, which required doing some of their tasks, as well as study up on MapInfo Pro, which is an old software that I never used or heard before. So that kept me busy earlier on in my internship. Now for my project is I was to create a visualization for meter and transformer relationships. We want this for accurate customer counts to improve asset and outage management. Now, an example of asset management is in a distribution system, transformer might have 5 meters connected to a transformer, but in reality there might be only 3. And this can cause loading on the transformer to be inaccurate, making it difficult for the planning engineer to know whether or not he needs to go out and fix it. Now, an example of outage management is we do not want an engineer to send out incorrect notifications to customers regarding the meter's online or offline status. Now, how we do this is a little proprietary. The algorithms created for this analysis are proprietary, hence I cannot discuss them in this presentation. Now, moving on to our results, Umang, my teammate, and I created a CSV file with meter and transformers and their coordinates for the original, predicted, and actual meter transformer relationships. I then imported the file to create mapping layers, which I will show you in the coming slides. So in discussion of our customer visit, we visited Central EMC in North Carolina, where we demonstrated our product's functionality and capability with a demo and visualization. Now, in the beginning, the customer was a little hesitant about our product's accuracy and made a bet that if our product could prove inaccuracies in their system, that he would wear a kilt to the next meeting. So we made a little wager on that. So they were pretty excited about determining if our product was accurate or not. They joined us out in the field, and as soon as we got into the field, we immediately knew that there was a transformer at this location that they had no idea about. And so we proved with 100% accuracy that our product worked. So this is the original map that I created, and as you can pay attention to the transformer here, you can see that it has four blue meters connected to it. And if you pay attention to this green transformer, you can see that it has 4 green meters connected to it. So pay attention to these 2 meters and pay attention to these 2 meters, and I'll discuss what happened after we ran our analysis. So you can see that all these meters changed, like I said earlier. This meter turns red, which means it belongs actually to this transformer. This meter turns green, which means it actually belongs to that transformer. Now, these two meters turn black. Now they have great correlation, they belong to each other, but they do not belong to any transformers in this map. So when we went on site, we actually determined that there was a transformer right across the road that Central EMC had no idea about and was not in their GIS system. So we all look forward to seeing that engineer in a kilt at the next meeting. So how I applied content from class is uploading data from files and then importing those files into the GIS mapping system, software system, and create and manipulate the layers. What I wish I learned is maybe customizing CSV files, because in the beginning I would have several CSV files and my manager wanted to have all those files just in one CSV. So it did take some time to figure out how to manipulate all that and make it work in just one CSV file. So my experiences here at Atlanta Skiers, I attended daily AGAT meetings, which we discussed, projects and how they're coming along. We discussed how communication is important, so we kept on communicating with each other and made sure we stayed on top of our projects. I was able to attend an all-hands meeting with upper-level management, as well as spend time with Dave Conacher, which is a senior-level management, and Robert Millar, which was the financial director. Another great experience I had was traveling to North Carolina and having actual customer interaction and just seeing how everything actually happens with, a team in a big company like Landisgear. And I did learn that if you are an intern and you're visiting a customer, they do like to mess with you. So I'd like to give a shout out to my team, Umang, who I mainly worked with, that provided me with data that I would then create the map layers. My Tony manager, who was like a mentor and pushed me along and kept me calm and made sure I wasn't any flustered or anything like that. And the rest of my AGA team, Ben, Dam, Vivek, Prabhu, and Paula. And that is my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a lovely day.